Today we'll talk about how can you disable record auto stop on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click on settings here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to record auto stop, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's my record auto stop, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do, that's all I wish know you I give it. So thank you for your watching, don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.